Hey everybody, I got this Lightning digital AV adapter to plug into my iPad so that I could either watch or play a game and record it into the computer system while the iPad is on, because there was no other way to actually get that feed over, so this unit does it. So I decided to try this out, give it a fair review, and here it is right now coming up. And first of all, I'm going to install the monitor before I hook up the device and show you how it really works. Good morning everybody, and today I have a home studio vlog, and basically what I'm going to do is change this monitor around because I have a device right there that plugs into my iPad, and I can get an iPad feed onto the monitor. Now, I did try it yesterday, and this one here is an older monitor and it says input not supported. However, I did have another monitor right here kicking around. It's a newer Acer monitor and it does support it. So we're going to flip them out, change that, and I'm also going to change it from the horizontal to the vertical position. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll be back to you. Okay, so now I have that screen up, and I was going to put it vertically, but it won't work that way unless there's a setting in it to say that you're going to use it as a vertical monitor. There probably is, but I'm not going through it. I'm being lazy. So this will work. So if I leave my iPad that way, or turn it that way, if I turn it vertically, then the screen goes that way. But it won't do it as a vertical screen. So there's got to be a setting in there somewhere. But anyway, it's all through this little device right here. That's a Lightning out to this little box, which is basically a little video card. Goes to VGA or the HDMI, and it has the AV out as well. So you have to have a DC 5-volt supply, so another lightning cable in, and right now I have that running off my hub just to try it out, but it should be a separate cable going to like a little power charger block. It's only been on a couple minutes, but it gets really warm, so I want to leave it on for a while and see how it warms up and operates under a warmer condition. But it's doing what I wanted it to do. Output from the iPad to monitor or the HDMI, you can feed this off to your, say, your Elgato or something else, so you can record whatever you have on your iPad. And if you want to do sort of like a tutorial live stream or something from your iPad, you can do it via this way through the HDMI and your capture card. So it's kind of a neat little rig. It was around $35 I think for that, so on Amazon, so it wasn't too bad. Pretty generic. There was no brand name to it, I don't think. So this is the box it came in. Just says Lightning digital AV adapter, plug and play, HDMI, VGA, AV. Yeah, it's just generic, but it was hard to find because it was a Lightning one. There's all kinds of USB ones, but I was able to find this one, and you know, that works great. Made for IPO, IPH, and IPA, which I guess is for like iPad, iPhone, and iPod. They just don't put the D on it because they don't want to, I guess, get sued for using the name, maybe, I don't know. So it's very generic, you know, the China type of thing. So yeah, so can't give you a brand name to say that this is what it is because there is none. So it just comes in that little blister pack. So that's the piece right there, a little review on this Lightning to VGA / HDMI AV converter.